Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tech Spirit. In this video, I will be gonna show you how to download PC in any Android device. This app is usually made for PC lovers who cannot afford by using PC and can use PC in any Android device. So let's begin this video. First of all, you have to open the Play Store. Go to the search bar and click on computer launcher. Here you can see that option, computer launcher. Here you can see this computer launcher. It has over 5 million plus downloads and 3+ star rating. You can get many apps, but I recommend this app to use. So let's start the video and click on install. You can see many other apps also are there, but the main which is very downloaded and has given the more reviews is this app, the computer launcher app. So the app is being downloaded. Let's open the app. The app's WinX launcher, Windows 10 launcher. Here you can see this normally like any other app, any other PC. So here you can see the Windows option. Here you can see any the normal thing like PC you get, and here you can open Google Chrome. See, here you can open Google Chrome also, and here you can use this PC which is normally comes in any computer or laptop. Just click on allow. For the first time, it asks for you give your device name. I am giving it Tech Spirit. Here you can see the device has been opened. This PC has been opened. Here you can see it works as normal. Local disk C. You can see the number is there. So if you want to go back to the normal screen, just click on wrong and click on the cut button. Here you will see the Windows X launcher. If you want to go to the Windows X launcher, click on double tap on Windows X launcher. Otherwise, if you want to go back to the home screen, normal screen, click on double tap on Samsung Experience Home. Here you can see, go back here. So this is guys for the today. So subscribe my channel. If you have any problem downloading this, so you can comment me down, and share this video to main PC lovers. And that's all. Like this video. Bye bye.